Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and it is Monday, November 20th, and this is chemistry launch number 12 for the year. I hope you've had a good week last week. It appears as though lots of work is coming in. Appears like people are working hard to catch up and things like that. And I hope you're looking forward to Thanksgiving this week. That's one of my favorite holidays, and I always enjoy the time off and just a good day with the family and good feast, that sort of thing. Let's just review what you did last week. You did designing an organizational map, the periodic table, 4.6. Quiz 2, golden years to the periodic table, 4.7. You looked at electron configurations, 4.8. You looked at light spectra and excited states, 4.9. You did quiz 3, the golden years to Bohr model, 4.10. And charging up, ionization of atoms, 4.11. Mostly they came in real well. You need to remember one thing, the periodic table is incredibly complex. It will take some time just working with it to get used to it. So if you didn't feel like you understood it completely, that's okay. If you need help, please let me know, of course. I'll be glad to help. But just hang in there. It will get better. Electron configuration is another area that can be confusing to people. Basically, you can have a maximum of 7 electron energy levels or shells. And beneath each of those, there can be a maximum of 4 subshells. The energy levels are numbered 1 to 7. The subshells are numbered S, P, D, and F. Now, to make a long story short, every one of those energy levels will start with the S subshell, move to the P subshell, the D, or the F, depending on how many electrons there are. Okay, so you would start, with a larger atom, you would start with 1s2. The S subshell can only hold 2 electrons, so you'd say 1s2. The second level, if we had more electrons than just 2, you'd go to 2s2, 2p6. Okay, the P level can hold 6. The D level can hold 10, and the F level can hold 14. So it gets a little more complex than that, but if you have questions, be sure to ask. That's something you do need to get down for the future, and to do well. But I'll be glad to work with you individually on it if you need that. Okay, for this coming week, you're going to do quiz 4, golden years to ionization, that's 412. You're going to do a closer look inside nuclear reactions, 4.13. You have a report due, that's fission reactors, 414. Quiz 5, chapter review, 415. And a project, types of energy, 417. And then the unit 4 test, 4.18. Again, if you have any questions on anything, please let me know. Send me an email. I'll get right back with you, or send it in Google Hangouts. No problem. I'll get back with you from that too. Our reflection question for this week is, what is ionization? What is ionization? Okay, don't forget, you need to answer that question to get credit for participating in this launch. So please be sure to do that. Some people forget to do that. They just look at it and they forget. Please don't do that. Okay, have a great Thanksgiving, a great couple days off, and a great weekend. And don't stuff yourself too much with turkey. So I'm sure we'll talk again next week. Bye now.